Hi, in this video we will see fidelat or alphabet C, P, F, V, C, Cu, C, Ca, C, C, Co. C, ፀሓይ. ፀሓይ means sun. Cu, ጽማቕ. ጽማቕ means juice. C, ሓፂን. ሓፂን is iron. Ca, ፃማ. Sama is a requital or anything that you get out of what you have contributed. Tse, merecien. Merecien is mirror. Tsi, tsilal. Tsilal is shadow, like this one person's shadow or umbrella. Tsilal. So, som, it means Lent. So, let's see this one say that we've seen. Okay. Say, say, Cu, C, Ca, C, C, Co. Okay, so ፀሓይ, ፀሓይ, ፀ, like this one, ፀ, sorry, የ, ፀሓይ, ጽማቕ, ጽማቕ, ጽማቕ፣ ሓፂን፣ 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 ፃማ፣ ፃማ፣ መረፅየን፣ መረፅየን፣ ጽላል፣ ጽላል፣ ጾም፣ ጾም፣ ፀሓይ is sun, ጽማቕ is juice, ሓፂን is iron, ፃማ is requital, መረፅየን is mirror, ጽላል is shadow or umbrella, ጾም is length or fast. Next, pe, pu, pi, pa, pe, pu, po. So I have this word papas means pop, pop. Terapeza is, I think we've seen this before, desk. So let's write tzuzizal again. Say, tzu, tzi, tza, tse, tzu, so if I add this, it turns pe, pu, pi, pa, pe, pu, pa. Very easy. So let's write this papas. Pa, like this one. Pa, pa, s, papas. a pop. ጠረጴዛ ጠረጴዛ means desk. fe, fu, fi, fa, fe, f, fo. So fe faras, faras means horse. Fi tsarfi is an insult. Fa fas, an axe. Fe ferro, this is an ironing machine. F furnash is a mattress. Fo qofo is a bin or silo. It's a storage. Okay, so let's write fe fu fi fa fe fi fo. Fe fu fi fa straight. Fe fi fo. Okay. We can write it like that. So fe fu fi fa fe fi fo. Ferris, fe re ferris. It's a horse. Fi tsarfi tse, we've seen tse earlier. Re fi tsarfi. Just twist this one a little bit. Fa goes down. Fas, an axe. Ferro, an ironing machine. Ferro. Furnash, like this one. Furnash. Qofo, fo. We can go down or just we can stop there. Qofo. Okay, so after that we have pe, pu, pi, pa, pe, p, po. So papagallo is a parrot. Tape is this device. Tape. Posta is an envelope or anything that we use to post. Pe, pu, pi, pa, pe, p, oops, sorry. P, po. Okay. Papagallo. Papagallo is parrot. Tape. This one has to be here. Tape. Posta, po. This one, po. Ta. Posta. Ve, vu, vi, va, ve, vi, vo. Ve, vetro, it means glass. Vo, volleyball, you say volleyball. Let's look at it. So first I will write bebu, biba, bebibo, be, bu, bi, ba, bie, b, bo. We know this earlier from previous videos. So if I add just a horizontal line here at the top, it reads ve, not be, ve, vu, vi, va, ve, v, vo. Vetro, ve, t, ro. Vetro means glass. Volleyball, vo, volley, volleyball. You can call it also marbab as well, volleyball. Okay, so these are the alphabets we've covered so far. I think we're done with this. So he, le, he, me, re, se, she, ke, ke, be, te, che, ne, nye, e, ke, he, we, e, ze, je, ye, de, je, ge, te, che, tse, pe, fe, pe, ve. So we'll read this together and write them. መጽሐፍ, መጽሐፍ means book. Okay. So መጽሐፍ. Okay. Book. ጨንፈር, ጨንፈር, ጨንፈር means branch. ጨንፈር means branch. ወፃኢ, ወፃኢ means foreign, outside. ወፃኢ. ወፃኢ, foreign, outside. አንበጣ, አንበጣ is a locust. አንበጣ. Okay. ጻዕዳ, ጻዕዳ means white. ዳ, ጻዕዳ. ጸሊም, ጸሊም means black. ጸሊም means black. ጫማ, shoes. ጫማ. Okay. So with this video we are done all the alphabets that we use in making words in Tigrigna. So please practice this again and again. If you practice, I'm sure you'll master it. Good luck. Thank you.